Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert. Summer is nearing the end, but we aren't done sharing exciting news. This month, we're introducing 4 new one-die wonders. Meet our new collection of block-on boards, otherwise known as bobs. First is the GO Storm at Sea. It makes a 12-inch finished block. GO Glorified 9-patch. It makes a 9-inch finished block. This is GO Chimney Sweep. It makes a 10-inch finished block. And GO Hattie's Choice, which creates an 8-inch block. Quilters, before we dive into the details of these awesome dies, let's talk about what is a bob. AccuQuilt's block-on board dies make life easier by taking the guesswork out of cutting quilt blocks. Each bob die contains all the shapes you need to create one quilt block. These dies feature 2-tone foam, and they have screen printed letters to assist you with the cutting process. With a GO bob die, you save time on cutting and math, so you can spend time sewing and quilting. The shapes cut from our dies have specially designed dog ears that allow for that perfect 1/4-inch seam allowance, which allows for easy alignment and no trimming. It's a piecing lover's dream. Okay, let's take a look at each of our August new GO bob dies so you can decide what you're going to be quilting next. First up is the GO Chimney Sweep. This die includes 5 basic shapes and creates a 10-inch finished block, which works perfectly with our GO Cube 10-inch mix and match blocks. Watch our GO Chimney Sweep video to learn more. Next is the GO Storm at Sea. This die can cut one 3-color block in one pass through the cutter. It also includes the highly requested 60-degree diamond that is used for the diamond in the rectangle piece. Quilters, if you've been intimidated by this block, now's the time to give it a try. We'll show you how to put a block together in the GO Storm at Sea video. Next, these curves here on the Glorified 9-patch are difficult and time-consuming to cut by hand. But with our new die, that's not the case. Now even beginners can make these gorgeous shapes. Hear more about the history behind this die, plus a whole lot more information in the GO Glorified 9-patch video. Last, but certainly not least, we've got the GO Hattie's Choice die. This fat quarter-friendly die creates one 8-inch block and is great for scrap busting. For more information, watch the GO Hattie's Choice video. Quilters, the GO Hattie's Choice, the GO Chimney Sweep, and the GO Glorified 9-patch dies are all compatible with your GO Me, your GO Big fabric cutter, and even your studio cutter, so long as you have the appropriate adapter. The GO Storm at Sea die works with your GO fabric cutter, your GO Big, and again with your studio, so long as you have the appropriate adapter. Quilters, are you ready to take the challenge of one of these blocks? You can purchase all 4 of these dies from your local retail store or from AccuQuilt.com. To find the retailer closest to you, go to AccuQuilt.com/locate a store. I'm Pam Heller, and at AccuQuilt, we help you cut time so you can quilt more.